Today we're gonna create a React app with Tailwind using Vite and TypeScript. Vite is a tool that makes building and developing your apps super fast and easy. Let's jump in and get started by setting up our React app. Let's start by pasting the following command inside the terminal. Let's go with the default project name. For the framework, let's select React and then TypeScript with Speedy Web Compiler. SWC is written in Rust and it offers significantly faster compilation times compared to traditional JavaScript-based tools. Then let's cd inside our newly created project, run npm install, then run the following command to start the development server. Now we can just click the URL to open it in the browser. And we can see that our app is up and running. Then we want to install Tailwind with its dependencies. So let's run the following command. This is recommended to ensure your CSS works across different browsers by adding vendor prefixes automatically. Then we want to initialize Tailwind by running the following command. It'll create us a couple of configuration files. Now let's open the project inside VS Code. Then let's navigate inside index.css. In here we need to add a couple of imports so we can use Tailwind classes inside our project. Then we need to navigate inside tailwind.config and we need to show Tailwind in where it is looking for those Tailwind classes. So paste the following snippet inside content array. Then I want to make sure that Tailwind is working correctly. So from this website, let's copy this Tailwind snippet. Press copy. Go inside app.tsx. Remove everything. Paste the snippet. Rename this back to app. Then I don't have locally this image, so just remove it. And then we will be just using Pixum to generate an image for us. Save the file, run the development server. Alright, we have successfully configured Tailwind in our React app. You can find its code in my GitHub repository and the link is in the description below. Feel free to modify it to your liking and use it in any application you're building. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.